and get the fuck out of my face, bitch.
So smart.
Fuck you.
But I don't want LA. I want New York. Oh, this ain't too small. What would this look cute with? I'm messing up the lace. Oh, Lord. Oh, this bucket hat is so cute on me. I want it so bad, but it's $20 and I can find it cheaper on Shein. Me and my brothers are all getting hats. And I see the only one that don't got a hat with his little crybaby self eating Cheetos. You look like a fat man. Where your neck at?
Bitch, that's why I don't like you.
I'm like a mean big sister. The whole time he's my neck. That's why I ain't having no kids, because I play too much. What you watching? What is that?
Is that Elmo?
I feel like he was trying to tell me. Even though you already ate some. Please down, Tizzy. The baby is asleep and Lewis is half asleep.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so roll it belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so roll it belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the deep. All because of what I did on beach, baby. Light sweet, baby. I stop, baby.
Guys, we are in Miami. No, I'm just kidding. We're in Minnesota. My brother is here from out of town. I don't know if y'all know, but I got 3 brothers. One with the same mama and daddy, and then the other 2 we have different moms. So this is the one that has a different mom, and he's staying downtown Minneapolis, and he definitely got a place with the vibe. Say hi to Brianna. The lighting is hitting so bad, and I'm trying to get as much as I can for the sunset, because when the sunset it's over with. But it's like so pretty, like downtown is just here. Like, look. Oh my god, I'm literally flabbergasted. This is so pretty to me. This is what I want to see every day. This is the life. Ouch. Dang, just shocked myself. So pretty.
I don't know. Oh, God.
Oh, are these one of these bougie ones?
Start.
Maybe I could put it on my timer. Boneless bone. What?
Yeah, just. Yeah.
Okay, it's starting.
Several days later.
Hold on, because I want my own picture. Ready? Hey guys! But hi guys,